price cars, and in this exciting video I'm going to show you how to put a rear seat conversion in your Volvo 850 or V70 so long as it's a P80. So keep watching, they're only for small people. Only really for small people. It's a bit of fun. Now my 850 was a 5-seater from factory, but I did put the 7-seat conversion in it a while ago. However, I removed it because with the 7-seat conversion in, you cannot fit a full-size spare. And we drove this car to Portugal this summer with a full-size spare. So I'm going to clear my boot out and show you exactly how to put the 7-seat conversion back in. Okay, that's the back of the car all cleared out, and without the seat conversion in, underneath looks something like this. You have a large wheel well. There's usually a cover over that, and I've carpeted mine, and mine's also lined as well. Mine's insulated because I did that last year when I sort of restored the car. So there's the boot. I'm cheating a little bit because my seat belts are already installed. They're very easy to bolt in. All you need to do is remove these plastics here and they all just pop out. Don't do it in the cold because they will break, but essentially the seatbelt carrier down there is bolted around about this point, and it's very easy to do, and there's good access as well. Same on the top, very easy to install. At the bottom, I'll show you, we need to put the seatbelt bases in there, and then we need to just basically undo these bolts on each side and replace the seat back. This bit's going to become the seat back, and this bit is going to become the seat base. So I'll show you how to do that right now. The rearmost panel just lifts out, just pull it up, and it should pull straight out of those little recesses there, giving you just the one panel in. And this panel is now secured purely by the 10mm bolts. You can see that side, there's two either side, so I'll just undo those. This will be a good point to admit that I broke my drill and I'm waiting on a new one. Hopefully Father Christmas is going to buy me a new drill. Right, so now that that's undone, if you've already got your seatbelts in, you just need to manoeuvre this panel around your seatbelts, but it should lift out quite easily. Just pulls out like that. So that's what the boot looks like without the seats in. Good opportunity now to vacuum all behind it. It's been how long I've been looking for that. Okay, that is all done and clean. So I'll show you. This is how the boot looks with nothing in there. You can see, there's my two bolts where my seat panel is going to fit in. This here is the bolt where my seat belt bracket is going to go. You can see where the seat belts mount at the bottom here, just there and just there. So as I said, I've made this boot liner thing out of a piece of Volvo 940, I think. Something's obviously leaked there. I think that's a leaking bottle of either. I think it's coolant actually. I had a coolant bottle in there. Right, so that's that. Now we can get the seat belt is the first thing to go in, so I'm going to get that in and done. This here is the seat belt bracket, as you can see. So that's going to mount around about there. So once that's in position correctly, all you got to do is put the bolts in. Tell you what, trying to make a how-to video on YouTube, you spend more time second guessing yourself and positioning the camera than you do doing the job. They're not worth making, they're a pain in the bum. And there's a whole load of that didn't work, that didn't film, but basically I found a bit of treasure underneath one of my car seats. That's exciting, isn't it? Right, the back is now in. I'm going to put the seat base in, which is really easy to do. Seat base, quite simply, just slots in like that. Both sides. Job done. So, there we have our rear seats in and ready. You can see seat belts pull around and connect in the middle, nice and safe. And the kids love going in the back of the car. I quite like them having them in there anyway. I used to travel miles and miles and miles in the back of a Volvo 940 when I was a kid, so it's nice that my kids can do the same in my 850. So I'm just going to put the two panels back on either side, give everything a clean and a wipe down, and then that is job done. Because it's been winter and this has been stored in a damp caravan, I'm just going to wipe it down. I'm going to treat the leather with a bit of a leather balsam, which will smell really nice as well. see you in the house. And there we have it. Rear seat conversion done and finished. Nice. Very easy to fold away. You've got this simple hook up here. I think I can do with one hand. Yeah, there we go. And there we have it. Seats away. I'll give that a vacuum and then that is the job complete.